What's going on, everyone? I really like Roblox's chart. This chart, ever since reclaiming the 50-day moving average all the way back here on June the 23rd, has been an absolute rock star. Here's one way that you can, for future reference, that you guys can swing trade stocks, especially if you don't have a lot of money, and especially if you want to play common shares, or you're not too familiar with options. Guys, anytime we cross, or maybe if you guys do like playing options and you got some money to kind of go a month or 2 months out, anytime we stock reclaims or loses the 50-day moving average, normally starts a sell cycle or a buy cycle. In this case, it was a buy cycle, being that we closed over the 50-day moving average. You can see here that price over the 50-day moving average was sitting at around 34.50. Guys, in less than a month's time, or a month and a half, in less than a month and a half's time, we're trading at a price of $47.96. This is a fantastic way to kind of recover a lot of losses that a lot of people have taken in 2021 and 2022. Guys, look for stocks that are breaking out over their 50-day moving average. Now, even though that Rblx has recently just reclaimed its 50-day moving average, there's a lot of other indicators that you can use, other moving averages. You need to see, where's the 100, where's the 200, what's confirmed the 5, what's riding the 5. As of right now, Rblx is just been on a massive uptrend, which I could see a little bit of a pullback soon, but we have been power trending over the 5-day moving average since July the 27th. So if we look at 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 days trending higher, this is another phenomenal trade that you guys could have taken. If we kind of look at this high here and we take this price of 45.50, this was a breakout spot here. You would have taken this trade on 8-1 on the first. We break over this level here, we're breaking out of this consolidation, and boom, 1, 2, 3, 4 days worth of run up. The price that you would have got into the stock, $44.50, and you would have essentially rode the stock up another $4. Guys, there's always ways to make money in stocks, even if they're well above the 50-day moving average. You might be sitting there thinking, well, all the stocks I'm looking at, they've reclaimed the 50. What do I do now? What you want to do is you want to look at the stocks that are now consolidating on a daily time frame, right? We want stocks to go sideways. So if we look at what Rblx did once it reclaimed the 50, right? It put in an initial high and then it went sideways. That's what we want. Break a macro level of supply, put in a new high, and then we want it to go sideways. When we do that, we take the new high and then we enter into the stock on the break of the new high. I still think Rblx has more room to go. Now, it could pull back in. 45, 46 would be the pullback spot that I would be looking for. If we do pull back, look for that, that retest and then the bounce off. You don't want to enter there on the bounce or wait for the new high. But I think that anything over 48.25 on Rblx has room to stretch to 52. I would not be surprised if Rblx gets to 50, 49, 52 before it starts to pull back. Again, not saying we're not going to have a red day, and not saying that we're not going to have a day where it's pretty much flat, but I can see Rblx getting to $50 into that $50 range before we have any significant form of pullback. Now, again, that doesn't mean that tomorrow this doesn't roll over and go red on the day. If it does and it loses 45.70, then maybe we can take an opportunity for a day trade and for something very tight to the vest where we're going to manage it closely. We could potentially take a short through that confirmation below the 5-day moving average. And our next support is going to be 43.35. I hope that helps you guys. If you guys are interested in learning how to day trade stocks, come trade with me. Join the Discord. Link is down in the description box below. I'll catch you guys on the next one.